step pa.
This is the funny playground. And I will use this pillow. And look at me. Wait. Go away.
Wow! Next. Wow! Your turn, baby love. Oh, step. Oh no.
It's so dirty now here to the playground.
Oh no.
It's so dirty.
Your turn, baby love.
I am here in the second.
1, 2, 3. Wow. What's that? Is that your secret room?
Yeah. And have some juice. Come on.
Wow.
And look, some rain. We are here in the hotel, and this is kids' bedroom, and mommy's daddy's bedroom, kitchen, and table and chair, and there's over there in the stair, there's a party. Let's go check. Come on, guys.
Show me your master's bedroom. Where's the master bedroom?
Over there. Master bedroom.
And this was also comes together with 2.5 watts of charge.
Wow, so nice.
And there's a flower because my dahil birthday ko kanina.
No, graduation ni tita. Ano sabihin kay tita?
Congratulations, Tita.
Sabihin kay tita.